Tired of wrestling with stubborn wires and wasting precious time? This little powerhouse might just be the answer you've been looking for. The StripMeister original promises to revolutionize your wire stripping tasks. And honestly, after putting it through its paces, it comes pretty darn close. What immediately stands out is the precision. This isn't some flimsy tool. It's crafted with serious engineering, using 5-axis CNC milling. What that means for you and me is incredibly consistent stripping performance. No more guesswork, no more frustrating slippage, and best of all, no more wire jams. It just works, cleanly and efficiently, every single time. The operation is ridiculously simple. You just attach any standard drill, and suddenly you're a wire stripping machine. It takes all the manual strain out of the equation, and the speed increase is phenomenal. We're talking up to 10 times faster than traditional methods, which is a game changer, especially if you're dealing with a lot of wire. And the versatility is impressive. It handles wire sizes from a slim 1/8 of an inch, all the way up to 3/4 of an inch. That covers a massive range of projects, whether you're doing electrical work, tackling some recycling, or just need to strip wires around the house. Plus, it's certified with CSA, TUV, and CE standards, so you know it meets rigorous safety requirements. Durability is clearly a priority here. It's built from aircraft-grade aluminum and stress-proof steel, with heat-treated tool steel blades and feeders. This thing feels like it's built to withstand daily, rugged use, without breaking a sweat. For anyone involved in recycling, this tool is a serious profit booster. The integrated wire reference indicators cut down setup time significantly, and the overall efficiency boost means you can strip more wire faster, increasing your yield. It's a smart investment for professionals. The StripMeister Original is a well-engineered, robust, and incredibly efficient tool that genuinely makes wire stripping a breeze. It delivers on its promises of speed, safety, and precision, making it a standout in its category.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.